Today, we'll walk you through a short demo of EcoInvest. This experience is built entirely in ShapesXR and uses generated sample data to demonstrate how AI, immersive 3D environments, and sustainability insights can support better real estate decisions. Our goal is to show how users can move from a simple house plan to a clear, visual understanding of renovation impact, energy performance, and return on investment. Meet Alex. He is a real estate investor, evaluating a residential property for renovation. He's interested in increasing long-term value, but also want to understand how sustainable upgrades might affect energy efficiency, carbon footprint, and overall return on investment. Traditionally, this process involves spreadsheets, static plans, and multiple site visits, making it difficult to clearly see the impact of design and sustainability decisions. Alex wants clarity and speed, not just numbers, but a tangible way to understand what those numbers actually mean so he can decide with confidence. Instead of scheduling another site visit, Alex chooses the faster option. He puts on the headset and the complexity fades away. The noise of spreadsheets, tabs, and disconnected tools disappears. In its place, a single, focused environment opens up, designed to help him understand the property, not just analyze it. He starts a new project and uploads the 2D house plan of the property he was planning to visit. The space begins to unfold around him. The system uses an AI-powered process to transform this flat 2D plan into a detailed 3D interior model. For this demo, the AI process is simulated, but it demonstrates how plans can be converted into spatial, explorable environments. In just moments, Alex can see the space take shape, walls, floors, and furniture assembled in a modern style. The model scales to human size, allowing him to step inside and explore the home as if he were physically there. Using simple teleportation and spatial cues, Alex can move through key areas: the bedroom, washroom, kitchen, and living room, gaining an immediate sense of layout, light, and scale. This immersive walkthrough removes the guesswork that often comes with floor plans and renders. As he explores the space, AI-powered sustainability insights begin to appear directly within the environment. The system continuously analyzes the space, calculating energy loss, estimating CO2 impact, and identifying where improvements would be most effective. A heat map highlights a window in red, signaling unusually high energy loss. The AI flags it as a potential upgrade opportunity and suggests next steps. A floating dashboard appears, clearly explaining the estimated energy savings, CO2 reduction, and overall efficiency impact, all calculated by the AI in real time. From the upgrade panel, Alex reviews AI-recommended window options. Each suggestion includes its projected performance, sustainability impact, and long-term savings. Alex remains fully in control. He can apply the suggested upgrade, adjust the parameters, or request a second opinion to compare alternatives. After reviewing the options, Alex chooses a triple-glazed window for maximum long-term efficiency. The environment updates instantly, reflecting how the upgrade strengthens long-term property value while reducing energy consumption and environmental impact. Instead of focusing on short-term gains, Alex can see how sustainable choices improve efficiency, resilience, and overall performance over time. Because the experience is spatial and immersive, it becomes much easier to communicate these insights to partners, clients, or other stakeholders. By the end of the experience, he feels confident. Instead of relying on assumptions or spreadsheets alone, he can see, feel, and understand the impact of his decisions. Sustainability becomes clearer, decisions become faster, and collaboration becomes easier. As you've seen, this ShapesXR demo demonstrates how AI actively transforms a 2D plan into a 3D space, analyzes energy performance, and generates upgrade recommendations, all within an immersive VR walkthrough where the user reviews, compares, and confirms decisions. This demo is designed to validate the concept, support investor conversations, and inform future development in Unity with real AI and data integrations. Thanks for watching.